welcome back. A shack was gutted down to ashes in the wee hours of Thursday in Kalangut. Shack owner Rosario Rodriguez suspects foul play by some miscreants. He claims loss of almost 25 lakh rupees. Last month, 3 shacks were set ablaze in Kalangut Baga stretch. Police are unable to arrest the culprits till now.
This is the Rosario shack in Kalangut. The shack was burned down to ashes in the wee hours.
हांव घरान न्हिल्लोलो आनी चेडो हांगासर शेकान न्हिल्लोलो आनी 5 जाण म्हाजे कामदार आसले आनी कामदार म्हाजे फुडल्यान न्हिदता शेका फुडल्यान आनी चेडो म्हाजो कावंटर आशिल्लो न्हिदता पूण ताका खबर ना वयर उजो पेटला म्हणून ताका उनाव कसो मारलो म्हणून तो पळोवंक गेलो तेन्ना उजो पेटला म्हाका दुबाव आयकल्याचेर हा पूण तो मनीस आमकां तें म्हणलेलें जाणें तूं म्हाका कामाक दवरिनाय परतून तुजें शेक हांव कितें करता तें पळय कंप्युटर आहलो मोबायल आहले 2 व्हडले व्हडले आनी कॅमेरा आहलो LCD TV आहली ती सगळी उलपन गोबर जालो.
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo visited the site.
चुकोन शेडीक उजो लागता आनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचो इंजिनियरूय येयल्लो हिंगा इन्स्पेक्ट करून गेला whether there could be a short circuit, but short circuit जेन्ना जाता ते प्लगांनी जाता switches. They are suspecting foul play. कोणे तरी लायला हो उजो.
This is the 4th shack in Kalangut Baga stretch gutted to ashes in recent times. However, till now police are unable to trace even a single culprit. Reporter Sham Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Jesus wants to touch our hearts. Let's cleanse our hearts of anger, hatred and jealousy. This is the message during the Lenten season. Various retreats are being held in Goa signifying the love of God. Catholic brethren are observing Lenten season a time of penance, reflection, prayers for the resurrection of Christ.
Ai Jesus, alcançado na cruz. Jesus is a Catholic. The Lord is touching.
Prudent beat Navhind Times by 22 runs in late Vijay Gandhi Intermediate Cricket Tournament. Prudent posted a fighting total of 78 runs in 10 overs. Adhik Morajkar cracked a blistering 31 run. He was adjudged man of the match. Adhik Morajkar and Andrew also bowled well. Adhik claimed a vital wicket. Prudent will clash with Herald on Friday and the winner will play Goa Dut in semis on the same day. Gomantak beat the Goan in the first encounter on Thursday.
I request the new team to change the hands of the fielder there.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.